Hi, boys and girls. I'm Mrs. EBERLEIN, and I will be your third grade teacher this year. That is, I'm Mrs. EBERLEIN. I will be, what I should have said was, one of your third grade teachers this year. Third grade's pretty unique because you don't only have one teacher, but you have two. You will be spending half of the day with me, and I teach English language arts, which is reading. Who read? Who read over the summer? I hope you were reading. English, or grammar, we call it, writing, and spelling. In addition to those, I will also be teaching you social studies. In social studies, we will learn about current events, so things going on in the world, and we will learn about our country. So that should be pretty exciting as well. You will be with me in the morning. So all morning long, you will stay in our classroom. Now, normally, if we weren't in COVID, you would go across the hall to Mr. Trapp's room, and he would teach you math and science there. But in order to be here, in order to be safe, in order to keep everybody healthy, we have to stay in our classroom. And so you're not going to go anywhere, but he will come here and he will teach you in my room. And when he's teaching you in here, I'm going to go across the hall in the afternoon and teach his students what I taught all of you in the morning, the language arts and the social studies. So this year is going to be a whole lot different, definitely. Just by setting up my classroom, it was not normal. As you can see, there's your desks. So we're already social distancing, which we have to do. Wearing our masks. Don't worry, we'll have lots of mask breaks. So social distancing, our mask wearing, washing our hands, sanitizing, all the things that we need to do so that we can stay at Iroquois Elementary, because that's where we're going to have fun. That's where we're going to have fun learning. And I can guarantee if we follow the rules, everything's just going to be just fine. So I am super excited for next Tuesday, and I want you to think about coming into my classroom next week. Think about yourself walking into the building. You're going to keep going straight past those stairs that take you to where you went last year. You're going to keep on going straight. And you're going to go like you are walking to health room, Mrs. B's classroom. Raise your hand if you remember where Mrs. B's classroom was. She remembers. My classroom is the next room, right next to Mrs. B's. So when you turn the corner and you're at Mrs. B's classroom, you will see, and you look down the hallway, you will see me standing out there waiting for all of your smiling faces. Easy enough, wasn't it? Now, you will also walk past all the lockers. You do not have to put all of your things in your lockers because on the first day, you might have a whole lot in your book bag. And it's easier just to bring your book bag right into the classroom and we unpack in here. And then we'll just take your empty book bag out back into your locker. Now, when you're walking by the lockers, if you want to check out where yours is at, feel free. But bring everything into the room. You will have breakfast as normal in the room. At that time, everybody's going to be wearing their masks. So when I greet you at the door, I need to hear your name loud and clear. Okay? And I probably might have a good idea of who you are already because I have some pictures that I've been trying to study. So after getting my classroom ready, I also not only got this classroom ready, but I got ready a virtual classroom for you. And of course, I use my Bitmoji. So as soon as you're done watching this, I would love for you to get on and view my virtual classroom. I will be continually adding to it. There is a lot of information on there that your parents will want to see. And what's nice about that is they can keep it on their phone, they can keep it on their computer, and if they ever need any of the information, it'll be right there for them. And if you do check out my virtual classroom, I think it would be really cool if maybe you went to the district website. There's a link there. I'm not going to tell you where it's at, but try to find my email address and send me an email. Tell me what you think and tell me what you are excited about next week. Might you be a little bit nervous? Sure, because I can tell you, I get nervous the day before school, the day before the first day of school. But this year is going to be different. I think we are so ready to be back, and I can guarantee you that we are going to have a fabulous year. So I'm looking forward to seeing all of your smiling faces next Tuesday morning. I hope that you enjoy every last day you have off, and I am super, super excited to have the best school year with you. Bye, boys and girls. I'll see you on Tuesday morning.